Hello, my name is Maria Yrbas, a sales manager at Wilco Imaging, a LoRa technology company, and I have the honor today to be with Tom Pappas, regional manager at JAI. Thank you, Tom, for being here today with us, and we are going to talk about the GoX series camera. So tell us about this compact camera, the design.
Yes, thank you for having me today. It's wonderful to be here with you and the team. So today we have we introduced our new generation GoX, fourth generation with the Sony Pregius S sensors. Main difference or main benefit for this camera is going to be the sensor, the backlight illuminated sensor, which gives you much more for EQ, for less noise and things of that nature. The price points are also going to be very key here. They're very affordable. This camera starts from 5 megapixel all the way to 24 megapixel cameras. And we do have various interfaces. This is a USB3 interface we have on this camera. We also offer it in a GigE and also a 5 GigE interface.
Excellent. What are the type of applications that you can use the GoX series?
We find these everything from your agricultural applications. It'll be automation for automotive, life science applications, many applications. Anywhere where you use your vision, you will see this camera.
So Tom, you mentioned about the backlight illumination. Could you tell us more about it?
Yeah, the backlight illumination is going to give you better QE for with your imaging. So for some applications where the signal to noise ratio is very critical, this will be beneficial for that technology coming from with the Sony IMX sensors, with the Pregius sensors.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much. Thank you for being here with us today. If you need more information about JAI cameras, we are honored to partner with vendors like JAI to provide a machine vision solution for your application. Here at Wilco Imaging, we integrate our customized solutions, so please don't hesitate to link our website for more information. Thank you.
Thank you.